Designer friends natin na tumulong sa lahat. Well, most of our Star Magic artists na, will help them look glamorous tonight. We have some people to thank. And out of the list, Mr. Tina Daniak, Ed C, Billy Calubacquib, Eric De Los Santos, Jonah Balyaran, Earl Gariando, M. Barreto, Catherine Calvilte, Carly Ruedas, and John T. Martinez. Maraming salamat.
Yes, and many thanks also to Joel Escobar, VJ Floresca, Lord Maturan, Janine Hernandez, Mark Tana, Zarina Villa, Edward Teng, Kim Gan, Happy Andrade, Joey Sampson, Antoinette Laborte, Lyle Ibanez, Dennis Martin, and Christina Palermo. Thank you guys.
Maraming salamat din kay John Herrera, Huy Quinones, Wilt Rodriguez, Tito Corrata, Ditas Rodriguez, Ramon Esteban, Al Banzon, Julius Ornum, Jerome Salay Ang, Zarina Agduma, Rahul Laurel, Paul Cabral, Randy Ortiz, Francis Libiran, and Ino Soto.
And now it is our pride to present to you our next performers. Alam mo, I can only think of 2 words to describe them. World class. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ito, one word lang yun.
okay, world and class. Ewan ko, ba't nandito sa script? World class. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, here are Rap Salazar and the voice, Mr. Jed Madela.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.